Many of you watching this video right now are already familiar with Reddit. However, for those who don't know, Reddit is basically a social media platform where users can share content, ask questions, and engage in conversations across thousands of niche communities called subreddits. And each subreddit is dedicated to a specific topic from gaming, technology, fitness, memes. You can find lesser targeted communities as well, like dog training, retro video gaming, etc. And on top of that, it gets over 3 billion monthly visits, as you can see right here. A majority of its traffic coming from United States, as you can see, over 50% of the traffic. We can surely tap into this platform and get a share of this traffic through our affiliate link or our website, and we can make money in passive income. Now, this is where it gets tricky. The typical beginner will just grab their affiliate link and spam it across multiple subreddits and get their account banned. Then they come over to complain it doesn't work. And this is because no social media platform out there will let you spam your affiliate links and get away with it. And that is the reason why they've put advanced spam filters and moderators in place to prevent any sort of spam activity on a platform. But I need to tell you this, there are several ways to bypass these moderators and spam filters. And this is what we'll be discussing in this video. And I'm going to share with you how you can use these strategies to scale your affiliate marketing business. First of all, we'll go over how to create a Reddit account. And secondly, we'll talk about how to find subreddit. I'm going to show you a special tool you can use to find thousands of subreddits in one click. And also, I'm going to show you how to build trust on Reddit. And I'm also going to show you how to write Reddit post that goes viral. I'm going to show you how to use DM to scale your affiliate earnings. And finally, I'm going to share with you some of the best affiliate programs you can use to make money from Reddit. So the very first thing you need to make money from Reddit affiliate marketing is to build a long-lasting account, which is going to help you scale your affiliate marketing business on the platform. And to do that, you want to head over to reddit.com, or you can go over to your app store and look for the Reddit app. So once you have the app installed, all you need to do is to simply come over to where it says login, and you want to click on that. So once you do that, it's then going to bring you to this page, and you want to then click on the sign up button. And once you do that, as you can see, you can create your account using your Google Mail or your Apple account, or you can just simply type in any email of your choice right here, and your account will be created right away. So once you create an account on Reddit, your dashboard should look like this. This is where you're going to see content from various subreddits you have joined. As you can see, I've joined the retro gaming subreddit, and that is why I can see content from this subreddit. Okay. And that takes us to the next step, where I'm going to show you how to find subreddit using two methods. The first one is going to be using the search section of Reddit, and the second method is going to be using a special tool, which I'm going to be talking about in a moment. So the very first method is to simply come over to the search section right here. And this is where you then want to type in any keyword related to whatever niche you want to join. So for instance, if we want to join the gaming niche as an example, we can simply type in gaming right here. Okay, so if we type in gaming here, you want to then click on search. All right, so you can see there are other keywords here we can go for as well. So once you do that, you want to then simply come over to where it says communities. So as you can see here, there are so many subreddits we can join right here, depending on the one you're looking for. Okay, so this is really up to you. And also you are going to see other related subreddits here as well. So this is the very first way you can use to find subreddits. And the second method is using this tool right here, and I'm going to leave the link in the description. So once you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this website, and as you can see here, it's going to say find related subreddits. All you simply need to do is to type in a keyword here related to whatever subreddit you are looking for. So if I type in dogs as an example right here, as you can see, it's going to show us the various subreddits related to that keyword. All right. And that is not all. It's going to also show us other related subreddits. People who are interested in dogs also joined. As you can see here, these are also subreddits related to dog. You can see this one here. We love dogs. If I scroll down here, we are even going to see very targeted breeds of dog as well. As you can see this one here for golden retriever. And if I scroll here again, you can see there is also another subreddit for pit bull. So you can find even more targeted dog breeds that you wish to target if that is what you are looking to do. So you're going to find a lot of subreddits right here using this website. So the next thing we'll be looking at is how to build trust on Reddit. You see, trust is key here on Reddit. People are wary of spammers and generally they dislike anything that comes off salesy, which means you should only focus on building a reputable Reddit account, as this is the only way you can actually make money on the platform. You can do this by engaging with other users on that subreddit and also creating valuable posts, as you don't want to be seen as a marketer who just want to make a sale. Okay. And this is very easy to do. All you need to do once you find content being posted on that subreddit, an example, this one right here, you want to simply go over to the comment section and see what people are talking about in that post. So once you come over to the post, all you just need to do is to basically go through the content and you can simply share your genuine opinion or your thoughts on that post. And also you should not use a one-liner like that is cool or that is okay, as that way you are not going to build any trust. You just want to simply share your genuine experience or your thoughts on that post, and you're going to get a lot of upvotes, and this way is going to help you build your Reddit account quickly. All right. And I'm also going to show you an example of this. And you can see this account just replied to this comment, leaving their thoughts right here. You can see this is a very short comment, but very relatable. You can see people are upvoting this comment. And if I go over to the account, you can see this account was created in 2023. And as you can see, they have so many cameras on their account right here. You can see over 3,500. This alone makes them a very trustworthy and reputable Reddit user. And if they make any post, people are likely to take them seriously. You just have to come off genuine and give your thoughts on that post, and you are going to build karma naturally without getting your post deleted by moderators or by Reddit itself. So you want to basically engage with at least 5 to 10 posts every single day for at least 3 days. So the next step is writing Reddit post that goes viral. And this is where you are then going to be including your affiliate links. Okay. And to write Reddit posts that go viral is very, very easy. I'm going to show you 2 strategies you can use to write Reddit post that goes viral. Okay. So the very first one is coming over to the search section again. And once you come over here, you want to type in keywords like best product in your niche, or you want to type in how to solve a problem in your niche. So for example, if I come over to the search section and I type in how to lose weight, so as you can see, these are the results right here. And here you are going to see various content. You can see this one here from 3 years ago. This was a post made 3 years ago. You can see this one from 7 years ago. But yet this content is still ranking even though it was posted years ago. And that is to tell you this content gave a lot of value to people. And as you can see the engagement as well, over 2,700 comments on this post. And that is why it's ranking high on the search results. So now what you're going to be doing once you come over to this page is to come over to relevance. So once you come over to relevance, you want to click on new. And once you do this, this is where you are going to see posts people are making recently about this keyword. And as you can see here, just 3 minutes ago, someone made this post on this subreddit. So if I keep scrolling down here, you can see another question right here. This person talking about eating disorder in this subreddit. You can see 6 minutes ago, there's no comment on this post at all. You are going to see a lot of related content to this keyword that you can answer right away. And there's a very high chance you're going to get ranked as well like this other post right here. So if I come back to relevance again, you're going to see the more questions you answer, the likelihood you are also going to get ranked with one of your answers. Okay, so if I go over to new answers again, all you simply want to do from here is to click on the post. So if I take the first one here as an example again, you want to simply copy this question. So once you copy the question, you can simply take advantage of AI to generate answers for you. You don't have to do the hard work yourself, and you can use DeepSeek to do this. And I've created a detailed video of how to use DeepSeek to generate thousands of leads for affiliate marketing. So I highly recommend to check out that video. So once you come over to DeepSeek.com, which is absolutely free, by the way, you want to come over to the message section, and then you want to paste in the question like this. You don't want to add in an additional text like this to tell DeepSeek what you want it to do. So you want DeepSeek to basically generate an answer for you. All you then need to do from here is to click on send. All right, so as you can see, in a couple of seconds, DeepSeek has generated an answer for us that we can simply copy and paste. And you can see right here, these are very detailed answer related to that question. As you can see, it even included a meal plan as well. As you can see, this is a very related answer to that problem. So all you simply need to do is to copy the answer. Then you can simply come back to that subreddit. So you can come over here to where it says add a comment, and you can simply come over and paste in that answer right here like this. So you can basically go through the answer and make sure everything looks good. And also you can add your affiliate link if you want to do that as well. So the second strategy is to simply create the questions yourself. So you can come over here and highlight these questions that are ranking on the top of the search like this. So this one here is saying, what is the easiest way to lose weight? So you can easily come over to DeepSeek again, and you can type in that question like this. What is the easiest way to lose weight? Then you want to ask DeepSeek to generate 10 captivating variation of that title, and you want to click on enter. So as you can see right here, it has generated 10 variation of that title you can use to basically rank on Reddit. So what you're going to be doing here is to create two separate Reddit accounts. Okay, so if we take this title here as an example, you don't have to use all the title, but you want to simply take a look and look for the best title. Okay, you can see this one here that says how to lose weight fast, easy tips you can use to start today. All right, so you want to create two separate Reddit accounts, and you want to use one Reddit account to ask this question, and you want to use another Reddit account to answer that question. So all you simply need to do is to copy the question, paste it in the message section, and DeepSeek is going to generate the answer for you, which you can then use to reply that question. I hope this makes sense. So if you use these two strategies, there's a very high chance some of your posts are going to rank on this keyword as well. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you is the power of using Reddit DM. I can't stress this enough. This is one of the best ways you can use to make money on Reddit. Okay, so once you're on any subreddit, so I'm going to be taking the dropshipping subreddit as an example. Okay, so you want to scroll down and look for posts that are getting a lot of comments. All right, so if I come over to this one here as an example, this is a comment of someone asking how to make money with drop shipping. And I can tell you there are so many drop shipping courses out there you can promote and get a commission. All right. So all you simply need to do from here is to over on the profile, and you want to then click on chat. So once you click on chat, as you can see, it's going to pop up this message section. And this is where you then want to reach out to this account. And also you want to make sure to give value upfront before you send your affiliate link. So you want to make sure to send a message that is going to captivate their attention to open the DM. All right. And to do this, you want to simply go over to YouTube. This is the trick right here. So once you come over to YouTube, you want to look for videos in that niche. An example of that is how to make money with dropshipping. And here you are going to see a lot of people ranking for this keyword. Grab the link to one of these videos. All right, so I'm going to take this video here as an example, and I'm going to copy the link to this video. You can send a very simple message like this: hey, I'm into dropshipping myself and I found this YouTube video. It goes over everything you need to make money with dropshipping. And you can then send them the link. There's a very high chance they are going to open that message because you are providing them value without promoting any product. So once you send out this DM, they are likely to open the DM because you are not promoting any product. You are simply sharing a free YouTube video that could help them out. Then you want to wait for 24 to 48 hours before you then send them your affiliate link. And the reason you want to do this after 28 hours is because you want to gain their trust first so that they see you as someone who actually cares about the community and genuinely giving useful information that could help others out. So after 48 hours, you then want to grab an affiliate product in that niche and send it to them. And there's a very high chance they are also going to open it as well because they already know you've given them value previously. So this is how you can use Reddit to send people affiliate link without looking spammy. And now you may be wondering, where do you find affiliate products you can actually promote to people and make money on Reddit? There are so many affiliate networks out there you can use. One of the best one out there is clickbank.com. You can get over 50% for every sale you make on Clickbank. And also another platform you can use is Amazon Associate. There are so many products on Amazon you can promote to people and make money as well. And if you don't want to do this, you can also take advantage of CPA marketing as well, as you can come over to offervault.com and you can find various CPA offers you can promote to people. All they need to do is to enter their email address, install an app, and you make money. So now that you know how to make money with Reddit affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend to click this video on your screen where I showed my 35 days result using Reddit to promote affiliate products.